Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikha. In today's video we will know 10 quick fast recipes for Janmashtami.
Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Sabudana Khichdi is the most common dish made during fasting days. Sabudana Khichdi is tapioca pearls, sago, made with potatoes and peanuts. Kuttu Khichdi is made using buckwheat groats, potatoes and peanuts. It is yet another very easy and tasty recipes to be used during the fasting days. Panjiri, also known as Panchamrit or Chanamrit, is offered as Naivedya to Lord Krishna. It is prepared using whole wheat flour, sugar, almonds, cashew nuts and ghee. Samak Chawal Kheer is made using milk, Samak Chawal and sugar and boiling them until it's cooked. It is a very easy to cook recipe. Vrat ke Jeera Aloo is very common and delicious dish. It is cooked using potato and jeera.
If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.